The Spinach Flammkuchen, a crisp, creamy tarte flambée, has a paper-thin base under a rich spinach and crème topping, showered with golden flaked almonds. You spread a silky mix of baby spinach, onion, garlic, crème fraîche, and cheese over thin dough, with sun-dried tomatoes and a pinch of nutmeg. Pile chopped baby spinach, onion, garlic, crème fraîche, cheese, and sun-dried tomatoes into a bowl. Mix it into a creamy green topping with a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Roll the dough out nice and thin into a Flammkuchen base on a lined tray. Spread the topping to the edges, scatter over flaked almonds, and bake at 220 degrees Celsius until golden and crisp. Slice it into wedges straight off the tray while the base is crisp, and finish with fresh oregano. Serve it with a green salad. The printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.